Hi folks, I just thought I'd introduce you to my next project. This is a computer that I've inherited. I kinda took it as payment for a job that I did. It was a computer that wasn't working very well at all, and I basically swapped a few parts out, gave them a different case, everything as well. It was a smaller case, much more suited to them. And I've inherited this, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to do something with this case. It's just, as you can see, it's just a silver case, mid-tower case. There's a fair bit of space in there. We'll just undo the thumb screws and you can take a look inside. There we go. Let's pull the side panel off, and hopefully you can see what's in there. At the moment there's just an old MSI board in there with, I think it's a Celeron CPU that we've got in there at the moment. Just a temporary power supply. Just something I can use just to test things. But I fancy kind of painting this up, and I've been thinking about a colour scheme for this, possibly thinking of black and orange, and I'm thinking of going for some purple lighting. So it's going to be pretty garish, but I thought, hey, why not? I'm going to stick with using, I think, 80mm fans. There's two on the back there already. They're just blue clear fans, they're not LED fans. And in the front, I don't know if you can see that, there's room for 4 80mm. Now I could drill holes and stuff and put 120s in, but I thought let's use the holes that we've got, and I'll probably run the fans either at 5 volts or 7 volts. Not too sure on that yet. What I'll do is I'll put some LEDs in these, and I've got loads of 80mm fans. So what I'll do is I'll probably put LEDs in those as well. My other fans are just plain black fans. You get a different lighting effect with those, and I'm going to see how that goes. So that's one of the jobs I'm going to be doing, is putting some LEDs in fans. And I'm probably going to use a separate cable for them, because I'm going to be, say, running the fans at probably 5 volts, 7 volts, and I still want the LEDs to run at full power, and I want to be able to, you know, maybe alter the speed of the fans at some point. So just having the LEDs on a separate power will allow me to do that. I'm just wondering if I put red LEDs in here, if I'll actually get purple. I'm not too sure. Do you get purple light if you use red LEDs in blue fans? I don't know. We'll give it a go. We'll find out anyway. So that's one of the jobs that that I'm going to be doing. I'll probably have to ream this out a little bit at the back, because there's a little lip. So although I may be able to push the cables on the back, it was a tight squeeze. So really, to get good cable management, I'll need to do that. Thinking of going for a side window. I've not done one yet, so that should be quite good. Not too sure how I'm going to do it. There's a couple of indentations in the side panel. Just wondering whether to follow those or whether just to go for a simple rectangle, and just really forget the side panel indentations, the patterns that are already on there. That's probably going to be easy for a first one, I think, so we'll probably go with that. I'm going to build my own terminal block as well. I'm going to run the fans on the terminal block, because there's going to be, well, 6 case fans there at least. I'll probably mount that somewhere on the back of the hard drive bays or something. So we'll probably be doing that at some point as well. Not too sure exactly what hardware I'm going to eventually run in this. I might leave it at this and maybe run Ubuntu or something on it. I like the idea of having a dedicated Linux machine. That could be quite good. So we'll just see. I think the thing is, I'm going to play with this, and this will allow me to experiment and do things I've not done before without worrying that I'm damaging my main PC. So I'm going to have some fun over the next few months, I think. And what I'll try and do is film each little section that I do. So we'll do a section on the fans, we'll do a section on the side panel, we'll do a section on the terminal block, and see how it all comes together. So I hope you're going to have as much fun as I am going through this. And if you have any comments, any suggestions at all, particularly about whether those purple LEDs, well, whether I'll get the effect of purple LEDs by using red LEDs in blue fans, I don't know. Maybe we should just try it anyway. You know, what the heck, let's go for it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe to my videos. Thank you very much.